Aren't you tired of always simping, bro? Always being in bed wondering what your girl or your crush is thinking of? Yo, I'm tired of it for you. Matter of fact, I'm so tired of it that I'm going to give you the secret sauce. I'm going to give you what you should be doing to flip the script. In other words, I don't want you to be simping over her. I don't want you to be thinking about her all the time. I want her to miss you. Today, boys, I'm going to show you the 5 things you should be doing with your crush to make her miss you. Let's hop into it. Number 1, do not spend hours every day texting her or calling her. Do not be the guy texting her good morning every day or texting her with a what you're doing every single day. Constantly trying to force conversations to happen that have no purpose is the quickest way to bore her. And the exact same rule applies for phone calls and FaceTimes. See, if you're always in her proximity, she's never gonna miss you because there's nothing to miss because she has you tucked away in her back pocket and she can use you as she pleases. Number 2, I want you to set goals and projects for yourself. See, a lot of you guys, I've heard it before, say, Jose, it's easy for you to get girls. See, you have money, you're verified, you have... None of that actually matters. You want to know why? Women are just the rewards for the goals that you reach, and the higher the goals that you reach, the more women you'll be able to reach or want to reach you. So I know this is going to be hard, but for a second, I want you to forget about your crush and write down 5 to 10 goals. Then under each goal, I want you to put a project that you can work on now. This is going to push away your simpery that you're using all your time to wondering what your crush is up to, and instead focus all that energy and investing it solely onto yourself and onto your future self. And then this is when the magic happens. Now she's going to start wondering why you're not texting her all the time, why you're not giving her all the attention like other guys have in the past, and then's when she's going to be missing those texts. But it's too late. You no longer give attention away for free because your brother Jose already told you where to put your focus on. Number 3. Level up. Here is an example of one of those goals that I was talking about. Let's say one of your goals is to dress better and become more desirable. Okay, then your project under that goal should be to analyze your closet and see what styles look best on you, what's actually in trend, what doesn't make you look good. Then you should be developing your own personal style and your own personal confidence. Personally, one of those good moves that any guy can add to their wardrobe is a simple chain or necklace. See, it's a high status symbol because it's a piece of jewelry, and also it's a style differentiator where you put it on with any outfit, it's gonna set you apart because not every dude is wearing those nice, crispy, minimal chains. Look, chains just look badass all around, and this Figaro chain, which is a complete classic and throwback to the 90s, it was calling my name. And see, Rose Gold and Black just dropped this design, and as soon as I saw it, yo, I had to pick one up for myself because you know I am a sucker for minimal, simple chains because it doesn't matter what outfit you got on. Yo, you throw on a simple chain, it already levels you up. And the Figaro design, bro, the Figaro design is just so... It's classic. I'm going back to the 90s. Yo, I legit had a gold Figaro chain. That's the first chain my dad bought me when I was legit. I was in elementary school. And now, I'm just getting all sorts of nostalgia because those 90 trends are back and they look better than ever. And the great part is that it's so simple, you can wear it with anything. A simple t-shirt, you can wear it with a dress shirt, you can wear it with a sweater. Doesn't matter what you wear it with, it's just gonna be that nice subtle pop that's gonna differentiate you from the rest of the crowd. Boys, here's the kicker with Rose Gold and Black. It's crazy affordable. See, if you guys click the link down below, everything on that link, since me and Rose Gold and Black have partnered for about 4 years now, everything is heavily discounted for you guys, meaning everything that you see, those are pieces that I have in my personal collection that I've used to level up my personal style that you can check out as well. The great part with jewelry is that you don't need to redo your whole wardrobe. One simple necklace will literally upgrade every single outfit you put that necklace on. And if you want to check out their new designs, this comes in silver, gold, and rose gold. They're going to be linked down below, and even better, on top of the massive discount, they're doing 1 free necklace or 1 free bracelet with every single order. Now, keep in mind, yo, a bracelet or a necklace can be up to $50. Now, this is first come, first serve, meaning a lot of times that we do this offer, it always sells out with Rose Gold and Black. So if you guys want to get to it quick, I'd click that link down below, check out your new necklace, and then on top of that, get that free bracelet and necklace to really start building out that jewelry collection. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be linked down below. Number 4, give her the best time of her life. If you really want somebody to miss you, then nothing will ever compare than to just having a fun time. The way you need to think about it is that, look, if this girl's hot, she's most likely already been on about 100 dates plus, meaning that the simple movie and dinner, it's probably not gonna cut it. On top of that, so many guys get so restricted on the first date because they either wanna look cool or think that the girl is hyper analyzing every move that they do, that they never can be themselves. They can never loosen up, which makes the date boring and robotic. So just remember, be yourself, be laid back, and have a good time. Try to get creative with your dates, and then when she is having a bad time, guess what she's gonna reflect on? That good-ass time that you gave her. And finally, number 5, never be readily available for her. Look, so many guys are literally just sitting there waiting for the text, and as soon as she gives them the chance, they literally pounce on it. But you shouldn't be like that. Look, making her chase you is part of the game, and that's what increases that mystery. This is what increases that attraction on her side and makes her start missing you because you're not acting like the other dudes. So I'm not saying to avoid her like a little kid, but instead what I'm saying is talk to other girls at the same time. If she's not your girlfriend, she should not have 100% of your time. And this is going to create that abundance mindset, meaning that you're going to be booked most of the time because you're talking to everybody. Hey, you're a free agent. You don't have to sign no lifelong contract with nobody just yet. And because you're always busy, it might need to force you to reschedule here and there. And that's going to drive her mad. That's going to make her miss you. Boys, that is it for me today. Those are 5 things you can do to make your crush miss you. That's it for you, brother. See you next time.